So I walk in, right? And you know, Florida get like wild tortoises and stuff. I just seen this tortoise just walking on the track. Look, you see me coming, say stop. This is why I love adventuring, man. Hey, bro, what's up? Can I pet you? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Maybe you could see it just came out a hole. Oh, that's what you think of me, dude? Just so in front of my face. What's up? All right, dude. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go about your business. That thing moving. I didn't even check to see if it's a boy or a girl, or a male or a female. But it's on its way, man. Going about their life, doing whatever it's doing. I don't know about I, but I think that's pretty cool, man. It's pretty cool.